Here we go, super overtime. Short delivery, straight away, change of length.
One is not too old, man.
That's something to debate about. We'll talk about it later. Once again, Ahmed Daniel backpedals and takes a very good catch of his own bowling. The momentum is going to forward as a follow through, puts the break, runs back and takes the easy catch. He is a Jishan Alam, the last man in. Down the leg side, Nazigori got ran but just not good enough. Rubbing salt into the wound, wide, goes to the boundary.
That's a gift. That's a gift from Ahmed Daniel. Down the leg side, wide, 5 runs. Pressure. That's pressure, Salman.
No need to change. Not at all. There's a fresh batter coming in who wasn't expecting to bat 10 minutes go back in time. And now you just want to change your length. Not the right idea. And the keeper, well, he has had a tough time in the last 2 games.
Tail him down the leg side, hint of reverse swing. As he goes, that's a valiant attempt. Fingertips and goes to a boundary. That's encouraging stuff for Daniel. Right throughout in the death overs in the tournament, he's been getting the ball to tail back in to the right hander. He has to start around the 4th off stump to finish swinging around middle stump. Much better and clean bowls him. Length delivery, probably Jishan Alam expecting a fuller delivery. He misses it and Daniel strikes for the second time.
Exactly as you just mentioned. Just start from outside the off stump, and that length, once again the hard length, brings the undoing of Jishan, and the Bangladesh innings is over at 6 runs. Half the over ball.
Left and right hand combination, not a bad call. It's going to be interesting to see how they go about. They just need 7 to win.
I think it's a very good choice. 2 players have scored runs on the day, left and right hand combination. Couldn't have asked better. I'm with you, Mazhar, when you said Ripon Mondal, he should be the one. He's the match winner from the semi-final, has the confidence. Bowled well today as well, 25 to 3 of his 4 overs. Definitely he should be the one.
Saad Masood will be up against someone like Ripon Mondal, who bowls those Yorkers to perfection. They need 7 to win. Ripon Mondal will be eyeing those block hole right from the word go.
Interestingly, Saad Masood is going to take strike. Right-hand batter, As Sadakat, the highest run getter in the tournament, is on to play in the super over, chasing 7 runs and isn't facing.
Ripon Mondal. Can he rips through Pakistan Shaheens? He's been excellent, certainly find of the season for Bangladesh. Very good attitude, good action, good run-up. Here's an opportunity for Ripon to make history or create history. The 4 fielders in the circle, short third, short fine, power point and extra cover. Here comes Ripon. Yorker straight away, bang on the money. Could be going down the left side. The umpire will signal for a leg bye.
Yeah, what a start. Pretty much expected though from Ripon to eye those block hole. Yeah, from Bangladesh's point of view, a couple of dot delivery
Looking for.
Right-hander which will go away from the left-handed mask.
Away.
Indoor reverse swing was in the slot.
Under pressure, delivering the goods. Brilliant execution of the Yorker length delivery. Time and again, when Bangladesh has required, he has come up with the goods.
Off his own bowling,
great
following
control,
through.
must say. Never easy bowling those Yorkers. And he's bowled 2 on 2. Here comes Ripon.
Full toss. Fine leg in the circle. That's a dangerous line to go. Saad Masood, a good pace of that. That went like a bullet to the boundary. Sufyan Mukim, he has to remember there's one more run to be made.
That is excitement. He ran as if Pakistan had won the trophy already. Called back from the ring. Look at him. Look at the dressing room enjoying. They know they require one now. And Bangladesh would require a miracle.
It's not finished until it's finished. Sufyan Mukim. It was lovely to see. He was sprinting in almost to the 30-yard circle. He was asked to go back. Brilliant. Under pressure, Shad Masood, what a shot. There was pace, there was hint of reverse swing. He went with the swing. And Pakistan Shahis, they can sense it. It's just one run away.
No more drama required. Yes, rep on.
Oh, inside it and misses the sum. And with that, Pakistan Shaheens wins it in the super over. They become the only side to win this particular competition 3 times out of 7. Shaheens are the best team by far, remain unbeaten right throughout.